Hello, I would like to demonstrate the Tune SQL index recommendation function. Here is an example. If we have a SQL statement like this, it is tuned by SQL Server Management Studio. SSMS cannot recommend index for this SQL statement. Let's show you how our DBAS Enterprise for SQL Server can help you to improve this SQL statement by new indexes. Here is the SQL statement. The speed of the SQL statement is around 16 seconds. Here, we select the index page. If the SQL statement cannot be improved by rewrite or hints injection, we can try the index recommendation for this SQL statement. Now, press Recommend Index button here. Let's use the default option, which means that we're going to execute the first original SQL statement 2 times, and all the alternative SQL statements once. And we press OK. Then our index recommendation AI engine will try most possible index candidates from the skull to compose indexes sets for you. Here we are going to have index sets come up here. For example, this one we have 3 indexes recommended by the index engine. Okay, it is going to benchmark the indexes sets according to the SQL cost descendant order. Okay, the first indexes set has tested complete. It's slightly faster than original speed and saved 25% elapsed time. Let's wait for the benchmark process to complete to see which one is the best. Please be reminded that the benchmark is going to actually build and test in your database. Of course, the indexes will be dropped accordingly after benchmarking. So please use a development environment to do the benchmarking. Now the benchmark is finished. We find that the index is set 10 is the best among all indexes recommended by our engine. So let's take a look at this indexes script screen. Here you can change the name, whatever you want. And you can review the execution plan here. You may find that there are 2 new indexes used for this SQL statement. And the performance now is much better than that of the original SQL statement without new indices. Why SQL Server cannot recommend indexes for this SQL statement? Since the index recommendation engine in SQL Server Management Studio is normally not able to recommend more than 1 table for a SQL statement. This SQL statement involved 2 tables. But the SQL Server cannot recommend indexes more than 1 table for a SQL statement. But our engine can recommend indexes for many tables for a SQL statement. Here both department table and employee table can be indexed at the same time. It is what we call the correlation indexes recommendations. It is a very powerful index recommendation tool that is unique in the market. Thank you for watching our demonstration. Thanks.